Today Lenovo launched their ThinkPad X1 Fold, their new foldable PC. So if you like thick boy computers, stay tuned. Lenovo showed this laptop in CES 2020 and it looked awesome. Now they have finally released it and say that it is the world's first foldable PC. I guess they forgot about all the other foldable PCs. Their X1 will be housing most likely an Intel Lakefield processor, since Lenovo hasn't released a specific chip. It won't have a discrete GPU, so will be running integrated graphics, specifically Gen 11, and will come with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, clocked at 4267 MHz. So it won't be the fastest laptop on the block, but that isn't really where Lenovo is trying to play here. They mostly want to flex, again, the foldable screen factor. The screen that you have heard so much about will be a 13.3-inch OLED display, and the resolution will be a little above 1440 at 2048 by 1536. It is able to go up to 300 nits of brightness, which is moderate, but I expected more from Lenovo since they are also kind of competing against the tablet lines with the full screen. This will have a 5-megapixel HD webcam, plus an infrared camera, so you will be able to use Windows Hello on this device. The ports are honestly kind of depressing, with only 3 USB-C ports that don't appear to be Thunderbolt 3, and 1 SIM slot. That is, since it is able to have a SIM card, that means that it can also work through LTE, which goes perfectly with the 5G compatibility this device offers as well. The battery is also 50 watt-hours, which will last for about 11 hours. All of this, plus the up to 1TB NVMe SSD storage, costs around $2,500. That is, excluding the new accessories for the laptop. There is the stylus that works with the touchscreen display, and the keyboard that has fairly decent key travel, and one of the smallest touchpads I've ever seen. Honestly, I think that is kind of outlandish for a laptop that's main goal is productivity, but you can leave your thoughts in the comments below. Overall, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold is an amazing laptop, and it definitely fits into their ThinkPad lineup. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. Also, subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.